Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to test this out. So this is the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. It just says always on radiant skin tint. Shake well before using, apply with a beauty blender or whatever sponge you want. And that's it on that. To me, this sounds like something that this would be like a no makeup look. So it has this little dropper here. I don't really like the dropper thing. Why are we doing the dropper thing? You know what I mean? Because I don't like, is it actually a, yeah, it is a dropper. Yeah, so this is what it's like. I don't like the dropper. Don't like that. Because then you get dripping on your face. I don't like it. I'm just going to tap it on, but then I'm touching it on my face. I guess that's not a good idea, but my face is clean. I don't know if I'm putting on too much. I'm not going to use the Beauty Blender today. I'm going to use StansOut. I'm going to tell you something. I'm really enjoying this. I still like my other sponges that I have. I mentioned that recently in a video, but I'm really liking this one very much. So oh God, I hate it already. I hate it already. Oh, what the why is it making my skin look like hold on. I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to not pounce it in, but I have to do this because I don't know if it's reacting with something that I have on my face, you know, skincare wise. I know it's not the sponge. Okay, now once it's on, it looks nice, but it looked really, when I was putting it on, I'm like, ooh. Somebody asked me recently if I wear makeup every day. I don't. I have days that I don't wear makeup. I think it's good to give your skin a break. But I feel like even when I go out, I usually do just because I like to wear it. But there are times when I don't wear it when I go out. Wow. That looks really pretty. I think it looks really nice, you guys. I mean, I'm close. I think it's really pretty. I think it looks really, really nice. It covers enough. Now, I don't know how it would be if you have a lot of redness. I don't have a lot of, I just have very little right here. But it looks really pretty. So I'll have to, you know, let's do the other side. But I'm going to have to, that applies better. I'm going to just put on my sponge than my face. I feel like it spreads better that way. I want to see how this wears throughout the day. Let me see how it's going on this side. Because the other side, when I initially did it, I was like, what the hell? Now this side seems to be better, so it must be the way I applied it. So just putting it on the sponge works better. Look at the nice glow I get. That's really pretty. I'm really impressed with the way my skin, look how glowy it looks. And it looks really nice up, in my opinion, it looks really nice up close too. Let me get the rest of my makeup on. I'm going to show you what I look like again. And then sometime today, I'm going to pop in here and I'm going to do a check-in. And we'll see how it lasts throughout the day because I feel like that's the biggest test. I see so many people on TikTok share like foundations and stuff. And it's just like a first impression. But really, like I want to know, like what does it look like 6 hours from now? Does it look like crap? Is it falling apart? Is it cracking? Is it settling in your pores? Is it wiping off? Whatever. Like I want to know that because once I put my makeup on, I don't touch it. I don't touch my makeup, okay? The only thing I touch up are my lips. That's the only thing I do. I don't touch my makeup all day. So however it is the way it is. I don't touch my face. That's it. So I want to know how it wears. So you probably do too. So I will be back in a little bit. My skin looks freaking amazing. I don't know how this is going to wear on me, but right now I love the way my skin looks. It looks so glowy and okay. Let me show you guys close up. Right now it looks amazing, but I will check in with you later. We'll see what my hair and my makeup looks like at the end of the day. So I will be back. This is a check-in, final check-in. This has been on for like 5.5 hours. It's been on right now. Okay. It looks really nice far away. Up close, not so much. I just feel like it's breaking apart down here, around here. I don't think this is for oily skin. I think this is better for dry or normal skin. Maybe I might be able to put a little bit of this in, you know, another, like a full coverage foundation if I just wanted to make that a little bit dewy, but maybe not look so shiny or something like that. But it's definitely as pretty as it looks far away. It's just not pretty close up. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Let me zoom in. So as pretty as this looks from a distance, it doesn't look very nice up close. I was really excited about this one because I thought, wow, this looks I just kept looking at my skin in the mirror. I'm like, it looks amazing, but up close, it doesn't look good. It just looks a little dryish. I feel like down here, and there's areas I even feel like it's settling my pores a little bit. So I don't know what skin type this is for, honestly, because if I'm showing dryness and it's highlighting that in certain areas, then if you have dry skin, it's not going to look good on you. And if you have oily skin, then it's just not going to last very long. So I don't know who this would be good for. Maybe normal skin, I guess it would be nice for. It just didn't work for me. So it's too bad because I was really hopeful about this. I thought maybe this was going to be like, I was really excited about it. It just doesn't work on me. So if you have tried this one and it worked for you, tell me in the comments. If you tried it and you did work for you, let me know in the comments with that too, because I say this over and over. I'm like, you know, repeating myself, but just because something doesn't work for me doesn't mean it's bad. You know, this could work for you. It just didn't work for me. It looks nice from a distance, but it just doesn't look very nice. It's too bad. It's really too bad. I was so excited. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. So I'm assuming that this is like a skin tint. Like, I just said something really dumb. This to me sounds like it's something that you would wear if you just wanted that no makeup look. Nope. Let's do that again. Okay. So hopefully it's zoomed in.